All right, so a panda, I'm going to start with a very nice big head like this. There you go. It's like an egg shape but lying down. And then he's going to have a little ear on that side and a little ear on that side. Okay, now we're going to do some eye patches. So it'd be like a small egg shape, but it's going to be a little bit falling over like that. And then we're going to do an egg shape pointing the other way like that. These are his eye patches. And in the middle we're going to do, there's his little eye. There's his other eye. It's going to have a nose. Straight line down from the middle of the nose. And a little teeny smile. Now to make his arms, we want a big, kind of like a C shape out like that. And then when you've done it on that side, can you do one on the other side? And then we're going to get the end of this one and we're going to curl it round in there to make his paw. And then do the same with the other side like that. Okay, now we're going to make some big feet here. So we're going to do this egg shape again. And do you remember how we tipped it that way and then tipped it that way? Well, we're going to do a big egg shape here that's tipped this way. There you go, that's one foot. And then we're going to do one on the other side that's tipped the other way. So you can see that's the bottom of both his feet. Awesome. Now we're going to join them about halfway with a little smiley line like that. Do one and then do another one next to it, like that. And then we're going to go from the top to the paws, to go over the top, ready, like that. Perfect. Now we're nearly done. Go to the bottom of his foot, like his heel, and do a biggish circle and then 3 little circles to make his paws. One on that side, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So now you just need to colour him in. So his ears are going to be black. Let's colour those in. And then we're going to colour in his eye patches, but leave his little eyes in the middle that we can see. Okay, let's colour in this line down the bottom because he's going to have a bit of a white tummy going on. And then we can colour in his paw. Okay. Let me make that a white line so you can see it. Okay. And then you're going to colour in his feet as well. But leave the little circles that you've drawn to show the pads of his feet. My colouring doesn't look brilliant because I'm doing it on a whiteboard, but yours will be better on paper. And there you go. There's your lovely panda. Well done, everybody.